Hello, again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway Seat Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck SP Game Use Box Break number 41. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is any 206 027 901. That's any 206 027 901. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Shout out the Tandem Twigs of Mario Lemieux and Ron Francis for the Penguins. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. Then a Fabrics dual jersey of David Backes and Chris Stewart for the Blues. Rookie Fabrics jersey of Quentin Howden for the Panthers. Rookie Fabrics jersey, Jonathan Huberdeau for the Panthers. And we got authentic rookie of Jean-Gabriel Pageau for the Senators. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.